always been. Jack was a bright student with a promising future ahead of him. He had always been passionate about his studies and had a natural curiosity for learning. But as he entered high school, he became more and more distracted by the girls in his class. He found himself daydreaming about them during lectures, spending his time scrolling through social media instead of studying, and his grades began to slip. One day, Jack's teacher pulled him aside and had a heart-to-heart conversation with him. She could see that Jack was struggling to balance his studies with his newfound interest in girls. She reminded him that while it was normal to feel attracted to others, he needed to focus on his studies and prioritize his education. At first, Jack was resistant to the idea. He didn't see why he couldn't have both, a successful academic career and a social life. But as he reflected on his priorities, he began to realize that his education was his key to a successful future. He knew that if he didn't buckle down and focus on his studies, he would be jeopardizing his chances of achieving his goals. With renewed determination, Jack committed himself to his studies. He made a schedule and stuck to it, dedicating specific times of the day to his schoolwork and limiting his time on social media. He found that as he began to focus more on his studies, he felt more confident in himself and his abilities. As the school year progressed, Jack's grades improved significantly. He was back to his natural curiosity for learning, and he found that he was enjoying his studies more than ever. He realized that his teacher had been right all along. By focusing on his education, he was laying the foundation for a successful future, one that would open up opportunities beyond his wildest dreams. In the end, Jack learned that it's important to find a balance between one's interests and responsibilities. While it's okay to be attracted to others, it's important to prioritize one's education and future goals. With hard work and determination, anything is possible.